Well, our next guest can help you do just that.
That's right. That is the cue for our favorite home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery, coming to us this morning from Southern California. Hey, girl, how are you?
Hey, you know what? Even if you want to get out of the heat and do these projects, because, in Vegas, we like to spend time inside in the summer and the winter. Now's the time to get started. So why don't we start with do you guys know, pop quiz, what's the easiest way to give your kitchen or bathroom a super quick makeover? Maybe take you an hour or two.
Paint the cabinets.
Tile backsplash.
Ding, 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 ding. Tile backsplash. That's labor intensive. I'm going to have to come over to my house and do that. Anyway, we're talking cabinet hardware. So literally you can change out all those knobs and pulls in your kitchen or your bathroom. Super easy project. I love this new product. It's called the Adjustable. Nice play on words there, right? By Liberty Hardware, because you can literally change out your knobs and pulls for any size, anywhere from the smaller to like about an inch to up to 9 inches. And it's super easy to install. So what you'll do is you will take off the existing cabinet hardware, of course.
Yeah.
Then you'll use the screws provided. And then literally you'll just slide the pull right on there. As you can see, there's all different sizes, like I said. So that means no drilling, no patching, no new holes. They've got 3 different colors and 2 different finishes, little champagne bronze, little matte black. So just a quick, super update. You could do it now. Go, Sean, come back. We'll still be tiling. It's all good.
That's so smart, though, because you know what? If you have, you had the right idea for what you wanted, but the holes are drilled into the wrong spot, then you got to make new holes and all this stuff. Who wants to deal with it? That's perfect.
I love it. And Liberty Hardware always makes good products. Okay, now, so I won't stump you this time. So obviously painting is another way to update the look in the room. Hey, we're all doing a lot more Zoom calls. Instead of doing the fabric like I did back here, I could have painted my wall. But painting has a lot of steps. One step I really, really, really don't like is painter's tape because it takes forever.
Worse.
So be gone, painter's tape. I told you I'd be dramatic.
Oh, hello.
This is by Boxtown Team. It's called the Cutting Edge. Here it is. It's basically just you get any regular paintbrush, you lock it in, and what it's going to do, you guys, is it's going to control the distribution of the paint. So you literally can cut an edge. You can get into those corners and edges, and you don't have to worry about paint dripping. It's going to control it. No more need for painter's tape. It's also a nice little paintbrush storage cover when you're done. It's got a little hook. You can hang it on the paint can. They're launching this at Lowe's. So just it's by Boxtown Team, the Cutting Edge. Just a great way because, everybody needs to do a quick paint project around the house, right? So it just makes it done easier. It's awesome.
Smart.
And then let's keep going, right?
Cleaner.
Totally. And JJ, thank you. Always cueing me in the perfect spot. So let's talk about our floors, our cabinets, and our furniture. Now is the time to give them a little spruce up. So what you want to do is we're going to want to invest in this Rejuvenate All Floors. It's called Rejuvenate All Floors Restore or Cabinet and Furniture Restore. And what it does is on any material, so wood, laminate, tile, it's going to get rid of the scratches. And then it's going to restore it to its original shine. And the nice thing is it's going to literally look brand new again. So you can do it anywhere. So we could have done it on those kitchen cabinets, wood, when we were in there. We could do it on our floors. It's going to create a nice barrier too. So it's going to protect it. So you do it once for the floors for the season, but the cabinet and furniture, it'll last you a couple years. So it's just a great project to do.
Very cool.
And then I'm just bringing you guys with me. What do we need to get projects done? Tools.
Yes.
What have we all been doing a lot more of? Buying online. Who's guilty? Who's buying on Amazon? Pick me, right? Exactly. So I like to buy my tools from people who know how to make tools. So General Tools has been in business for 100 years. They know tools. So they just launched this online store. You've got to check it out. Couple things I really love is this laser tape measure. You literally, we'll push the button, a laser beam will show up. You push it again, it'll give you a measurement in this LCD screen, right, JJ?
Yes.
It's so cool. And then the screwdriver here, it's got, we're always looking for different heads, right? This screwdriver has 18 heads built in right in the base of it, so you're never looking for a screwdriver head again. So just General Tools Store, just a great place. And then I know we got to go, but really quickly, like I said, I know we are Smart Home Geek. Sean, you specifically.
You've told me I need to look at this.
Yes, if you own more than 2 smart home devices, you've got to look at Brilliant Smart Home. It's a built-in wall control hub for all things smart home. So literally, you just install it, like I said, anywhere where there's a regular light switch. The nice thing is there's controls for those light switch in the panel, so you're not going to lose those wall controls. But then right there from your wall, you can control your lighting, you can control your music, your thermostat, your locks, your cameras, your doorbell. It's literally the true smart home device that, and the nice thing is, like I said, Sean, when you install this, JJ and I can come over. We can turn on the LifeX light bulbs. We can ask Google Alexa to play some music. We can have the Wemo switch going for like the disco ball you have going. So it just creates scenes. It's just a great thing. And Alexa's built in, so you can boss it around. I could go on and on and on about this brilliant home, but if you are into smart home, you've got to check it out.
I love that. It's great. It's one of those things that you only think that you can get in like a multi-million dollar home, and that needs to be pre-wired and all that stuff. You don't need all that stuff anymore. You can do this at home, and you can do it in your jalopy if you want it.
And you could do it with your general tools, right? I mean, hello, we're just full circle here. But
it all comes
just a great product, great projects to get done for this fall. I cannot believe fall's here. But anyway.
I know. It's great to have you.
Kathryn, I follow you on Instagram. Where do we find all these products?
True.
I love it. And thank you for following me. We will go to, everybody should go to Be the Best Home to learn about all these great products and more projects and some great videos as well.
No question. Great to have you. Thank you so much. We miss you.
Bye, honey.
Miss you guys.
The lovely Kathryn Emery. Hey, you want to find links to everything she has showed you? You go to BeTheBestHome.com. Be the Best Home, a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.